Hello YouTube, how y'all doing today? Today we're taking a look at the CVLIFE Wildhawk series. This is their plain dot only version. They make a multi-reticle version as well. We're going to do an unboxing video here. This is their brand new sight they just came out with. This is a duty grade optic with a T70-75 T6 housing and a 3000 G shock rating. And as you'll see in a moment here, the frame, you can see in the picture. Look how thick that frame is. This is designed for severe duty and military type levels of use. So if you're a patrol officer or, somebody who carries a gun professionally, security, private investigator like I used to be, this is an excellent option for you. Pull this out here. I'll show you what it comes with. Really well packaged. Got some foam, lens cloth. It's got a full color manual here. All that good stuff. Oh, there goes. We got a windy day today, so we got stuff blowing away. Here's our specifications. We've got a whole bunch of screws that it comes with. Right there. We got our adapter plate. Now this adapter plate will work with RMSC or RMR footprint and Glock MOS, so very versatile. Direct mount, it's RMS/RMSC, but if you use the plate, you can go with Glock MOS or RMR footprints. So that you could even use this on your carbine, which I have done on another firearm I have. I'm going to be doing a full review of all that separately. Comes with a couple wrenches. Here's your adjuster, and this is for tightening and loosening your bolts down. And then we have our unit right here, and it also comes with a spare battery, which is always nice. We like spare batteries. And here she is right here. Let's turn this dot up a little bit. See if we can't see that in there. Where's our lens here? There's our dot. Now, these dots always look bigger and less crisp on video for reasons. I think because it's trying to focus to infinity, but this is a very crisp, clear, sharp dot. Okay? And you could see how clear that glass is. Nice clear glass. And you could see that it has a rear sight built directly into the unit. Clearly marked for adjustments. Side load battery tray. It also comes with a Picatinny mount. So you could mount this on a rail. This would be really good on a shotgun or any kind of rifle or patrol carbine. Like I said, this is super lightweight, but look at how thick that frame is. This is designed to take massive abuse and keep on ticking. Now, I have reviewed dozens of CVLIFE optics and products, and the rate at which they are getting better and better and better all the time is amazing. And this is a full-fledged duty grade light. Now you could see right here we got our plus and minus adjustments. Very straightforward, basic, super hardy and robust. Auto on, auto off, shake awake, all that good stuff. I mean, 50,000 hour battery life. This is an excellent unit, and if you are looking for something to carry in security or patrol or anything like that, Minuteman, any of those types of activities, serious heavy duty hunting where you're going to be banging around on an ATV all day, smacking your rifle against trees and stuff like that, this is a great option. Great option. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Free My Me out.